Get ready, content creators and adventure seekers, because the GoPro Max 2 is officially here, and it's set to redefine the 360-degree action camera game. From high-speed mountain biking and snowboarding to scuba diving and skydiving, GoPro has always been the go-to brand for capturing extreme moments with cinematic precision. The original GoPro Max revolutionized 360-degree filming with features like horizon leveling, 6K spherical capture, and hyper-smooth stabilization, but the Max 2 is taking things to an entirely new level. With rumored upgrades like enhanced sensors, superior low-light performance, longer battery life, advanced stabilization rivaling professional gimbals, and smarter AI-powered editing tools. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This camera is designed for creators who demand versatility, durability, and jaw-dropping quality. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the GoPro Max 2, from confirmed specs and leaked features to design improvements and software enhancements. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or thrill seeker looking to capture life's most epic moments, this could be the ultimate 360-degree camera of 2025. Stay tuned as we explore every detail, reveal what sets it apart from its predecessor, and discuss why the GoPro Max 2 might just be the game-changer the action camera world has been waiting for. The action camera world is buzzing with excitement because GoPro has officially confirmed the GoPro Max 2, and early impressions suggest it's poised to set a new standard for 360-degree and action filming. For years, GoPro has been the undisputed leader in capturing high-octane moments, adventure sports, and immersive experiences, from mountain biking to scuba diving, snowboarding to skydiving. The original GoPro Max brought a revolutionary approach to 360-degree filming with features like horizon leveling, 6K spherical capture, and hyper-smooth stabilization, but now, the Max 2 promises to push those boundaries even further. Creators, vloggers, and adrenaline junkies alike are already speculating about what this next-generation device could mean for their filming workflow. So, what makes the GoPro Max 2 so significant? Early leaks and insider information hint at a series of substantial upgrades, from improved sensor technology to enhanced low-light performance, faster processors, and even smarter software integration. GoPro is known for listening to its user base, and many pain points from the first Max appear to have been addressed. We're looking at better battery life, more robust waterproofing, and possibly even modular accessories to expand functionality, making the camera more versatile than ever. Imagine shooting an intense mountain descent or a rapid river kayak adventure and knowing your camera will not only survive the conditions but also deliver the smoothest, most cinematic footage possible. The Max 2 is also rumored to include advanced stabilization improvements that could rival professional gimbals, while also simplifying editing with AI-driven automatic reframing, horizon correction, and in-camera editing tools. Content creators who rely on quick turnaround for social media or vlogs will likely find these upgrades indispensable. Additionally, the Max 2's 360-degree capture capabilities are expected to be more intuitive, allowing creators to switch seamlessly between traditional wide-angle filming and immersive spherical footage, all while maintaining ultra-sharp quality and vibrant colors. Beyond performance, GoPro seems to be doubling down on user experience. The interface is rumored to be faster and more responsive, menus more intuitive, and touchscreen controls sharper than ever. The camera may also integrate better with the GoPro app and cloud ecosystem, making automatic backups, editing, and sharing smoother than before. This combination of hardware,